Welcome back. CBI has challenged the jurisdiction and the order of Special MAPSA CBI Court directing them to register FIR and investigate the case of dual citizenship. CBI has filed this criminal revision petition before the High Court. The High Court has issued notices to respondent Goa government and the main complainant CBI.
During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, petitioner CBI contended that the Special MAPSA CBI Court exceeded its jurisdiction to order investigation by the CBI in respect of the matters of dual citizenship. CBI also contended that only the High Courts or the Supreme Courts has the power to direct CBI to investigate any matter. CBI also contended that it needs a consent from the state government, duly notified requesting CBI to investigate the matter. But in this matter, Goa government has not given its consent, hence the Special MAPSA CBI Court has no such power to order CBI to register the case. Over the petition filed by complainant Kashinath Shetty, the Special MAPSA CBI Court in its order dated 3rd May 2014 had directed CBI to register FIR and investigate the cases against MLAs Glenn Ticolo and Kaitu Silva, police officers Ellen Disa and Edwin Culasso for possessing dual citizenship and having public offices too. The High Court has issued notices to all the respondents. The matter will be heard on 6th April. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress has demanded to protect beef traders who bring their certified cattle for slaughtering as per High Court order. Agnello Fernandez said NGOs appointed by government purposely create havoc at entry points of Goa to create beef shortage. NGOs are supposed to be at Goa Meat Complex. Agnello also highlighted how meat prices are exploited while the shortage is prevailing in Goa. Meanwhile, Catholic Association of Goa in a press note has said state requires 40 tons of beef and government should resolve the crisis before Easter.
Government gives protection to these beef traders so that they can get the cattle which they are entitled to as per the High Court order and supply uninterrupted fresh beef to the Goans. With the respect, cow is holy and we respect that sentiment, and the courts have given a decision that cows will not be slaughtered. Beef is brought in at cost time about 100 rupees or something like this. And it is being sold to the cold storages at about 180 rupees. So they are making a profit of about 75 rupees per kg, 75 to 80 rupees per kg, a profit of about 7 to 8 lakh rupees per day. Now in that the cold storages are selling the beef at about 280, 290, sometimes even 300. Government is making money at the cost of these poor beef eaters. These NGOs which are funded by the government, they go and create havoc at the checkpost. They are supposed to be at the Goa Meat Complex, but they are there at the border. Now what is their job at the border? Normally there should be somebody from the Department of Animal Husbandry there.
Catholic Association of Goa in a press note release has demanded 10 tons beef supply from another state insufficient to meet consumers' demand of 40 tons per day. Beef sold at rupees 200 per kilo. Price is doubled post-crisis from 100 rupees per kilo. Christians will be celebrating Feast of Easter and sufficient supply of beef and other meats will bring joy to their dining tables. With Bureau Inputs, Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
All Saints Procession was held at Goa Velha on Monday. It's a traditional feast of villages. Thousands of people flock to pay the vows of the saints and seek blessings. This feast is held during Lenten season before Palm Sunday. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
Tumi Puritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.